Kartra tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to use Kartra for beginners in general, and it will be more like a tutorial video in terms of like details and everything. And of course we will go and walk through the process of creating a landing page or collecting leads, sending them a thank you form or sending them emails. We'll create sequences, and of course we will do everything so on and so forth. Of course, if you haven't like gotten to test out the thing yourselves, you can of course like just go on and like see how the website works. But in general, we will just like see the website right now and see how everything goes. So, of course, we will begin by, we'll just like right off the bat, like a tip, you can like use it like a tip. We will start things in reverse. So, of course, we're gonna be looking to collect leads first. We want to start with a form. So, if you go to the left side, we have forms right here. So, we'll click on that, and we are going to be right on here, and we'll click the form. So what we want to do here in general is give this option form a name. For example, I'm gonna call it like marketing, and of course we'll just go on, name it properly and everything. And of course from there on we will go on and use this name as a brand name, or you can choose a different brand name. So we'll go on, and of course it says here we will configure the fields of the actual form. Design will come later. Of course, like something that's good here, you can just like go on, like use a first name or like a webinar name. Doesn't matter what you want, like you can just go on and do whatever you want with it in general, because of course like you can just take the website idea or the general form idea and just roll with it. And of course when we are like editing the form and everything, we will go on, of course after filling out the form fields and everything, we will say single opt-in, because of course double opt-in leads you the go to the inbox, and single opt-in is the of course easier option for us. And then of course it will open up a success page, and we will fill out that one as well, because of course why not? You can do that later. I will do that later in the video, but of course you will just do that. Then of course you can choose to send a welcome message. Welcome messages are sometimes important, sometimes not. You can like, I would suggest you use one, but of course I'm using it for the video so you don't have to. And then there are the basic automations. We will assign tags in general, and of course we will like, even without a category, we will do the tags ourselves if we want. There will be subscribe to listings, which will let people get the information better, and of course it will let us send emails to people later as well. And of course, using that idea in general, you will be able to even make them subscribe to sequences. You can even like make it into a coding thing, like an if-then thing, because you can just go on and just say, hey, if this person subscribed to this thing, then that thing will happen. Of course, after this one, you will go on and handle your forms design. The form design is generally important because of course, I mean, how it could not be. The form design itself is really important. You can of course get it from anybody anywhere else. Like I choose to not. I will use the form in another Kartra asset, so I will just like go on and like not immediately make it out here. I can just put that later. You can do that later. I'm sure you guys have a design. And from there on, you will need to do pages. There will be like a lot of page designs, a lot of templates and everything. So you don't need to worry about like designing a page by yourself and everything. And all you have to do is select a page, name it, put it in a category, put it in a site, and then start editing. This is like named a free cheat sheet. So you will be able to just go out there and of course start editing the free cheat sheet and use it to make your website. You'll need to edit like everything here, of course, but other than that, you need to make sure everything is right, because if everything is not right, it will not work properly. You can like put different assets, you can put different pictures and everything, and then you will, like I said, be able to edit it however you want. For that example, you can go on to make a thank you page. In a, like after a person does a purchase, you can send them into a thank you page so they can actually like see how their purchase affected your business. It will give them this page, for example. This can work. And of course, in any case, you can just, like I said, use this one, drop even videos, drop any kind of photo, and of course you can edit it however you like, of course. After that, you can even make them like download different stuff, or it can be just a thank you picture, of course. And of course, with everything done, you will just like go on and finish the edit form, because for those who don't remember, we didn't do like a success page before. But of course, in these parts, you will be able to do a success page as well, because now we actually have the confirmation page, and we can make that confirmation page now the success page. So if we connect those to each other, everything will be done for the finish video, and we don't need to do a welcome or any kind of registration message as well, because we have already done it. And of course, after we have done all of it, we can go to sequences, do different sequences, do different starting rules and everything. But of course, that's only for like actual like coders and everything. So we're not gonna like dive too deep into it. But of course, if you guys want it, you can like do it yourself, or you can ask us in the comments for another video and we can show you that as well. That's it in general actually, so I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to, of course, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to give us a like, because of course, we really care about it, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, I'll see you later in the next video as well. Have a great day, and goodbye.